Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another quick tip to know whether how you can change your search engine on your Vivaldi browser. So to change it, open your Vivaldi browser and here you can see that it is saying search DuckDuckGo or enter any address. So let's suppose I search something and here you can see that it is searching on DuckDuckGo search engine. And if you want to change it, just open the settings and under search just change your search engine here, whichever you wanna like. Let's suppose I change it to Bing. And here you can see on the new page the hint has been changed. It is saying search Bing or enter any address. And here you can see that it is searching on Microsoft Bing now, whereas it was searching on DuckDuckGo before. And this is how you can change your search engine on your Vivaldi browser. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comment section, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.